Not a day for speaking much. Let us do something. There are hundreds of things, thousands of channels, YouTube reels, videos are there on health, and hundreds of books you have read. But reading and all these things, that's what. Remaining a couch potato and you are reading so many things, that will not do. You have learned enough. You know there is no way out. There is no denying of the fact that health is wealth. जान है तो जहान है. हम सब जानते हैं फिर भी नहीं करते. So, but the thing is, this is time to put ourselves in the, in a discipline. Discipline, the definition of discipline is that continuing with a habit, continuing with something, even you are not willing to do that. Even your mind is telling, "Not chalo, idhar ghumte hai, sote hai, बारिश है, गर्मी है, धूल है." No, you will continue the same work. मैं खुद ऐसा बहाना बहुत बनाता हूँ, आप ऐसा मत करिए. आप डीपी सर को देखिए, every day I find him, डीपी सर, अनीश जी, प्लांट के अमित जी, तो ये लोग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. That is a wonderful thing. That is a thing that we all should learn. I also have to learn because health-wise I am not very particular. I admit this, but we should be. Every day I decide a mind I will do this. Once upon a time I used to be. Now अभी बहाना बनाते हैं मन, तो मन तो बहाना बनाएगा, पर चलो हम लोग और बहाना आप मत बनाओ और बिल्कुल जो है आज शुरू करते हैं जोश के साथ. पर उससे पहले I would like to request Honorable DP sir to say a few words. Sir, please.
Yoga Patanjali. So there are 8 pillars of yoga: Yama, Niyam, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. And these are also basically aligned to the phases of life. So when you are young, Yama is very important. Niyams, as a student, you should follow the niyamas. And as you do all of these, yoga, when you do the asanas, it brings a lot of strength and flexibility to the body. So if in today's time, the entire focus of fitness is more on speed, strength, but flexibility is kind of losing its focus. Yoga gives you everything. It gives you speed, it gives you focus, it gives you flexibility. And as a student, I think the focus on yoga, that yoga brings to your life, is utmost. And ideally, every student should spend, I think, half an hour on yoga.